Hey yo! Welcome to Duo Q. Today we're gonna do White Noise 2 with with a lovely 15 people online. We are gonna dominate this game.
Whoa. There's 16 now.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
It's racking up the numbers.
16 people online. Possibly because we added to that. So they're not counting Evan because they know that he's gonna suck. So, but anyways, today Evan is joining us and playing on Duo Q. He's told me he's heard some things about it. I've not heard too much. I just know that it had really good reviews. It's supposed to be scary. Looks a little bit like Dead by Daylight, in a sense. Probably not the same, but it looks a little bit like it.
It's like Slenderman. If it's anything like White Noise 1. I played the first one a while back, but I've seen like a video on this game, and that's it.
What else do you know?
I know that at one point you have to destroy eggs. I like legit know nothing about this game.
Well, I think we can just jump right in. I love how this is in the corner of my screen. Your thoughts be gone. Hey, I saw you. Did you see me?
They found all the parts, but the head was chopped off badly.
You found a tape?
Yeah, I think we're in a solo game. I don't think there's a killer.
What do you mean a solo game?
I think it's just us.
Oh, because we need to wait for a killer?
I don't know. Maybe we should have found a game.
I went to multiplayer.
Yeah, I know. It might just
Some people want to keep their spark alive. It would be better to bury it, for God's sake.
Dude, AI creature.
If you F switch off your flashlight, the creature will have a harder time finding you. Okay.
I don't like the ominous music, to be honest, and I feel like we're not getting somewhere.
What if the killer is not in here?
I'm telling you, I don't think there is one.
Did you leave me? Ah! Oh my god!
There is a kicker. I don't move.
Is he coming for you or me?
Bad touch. Bad touch.
Oh my
Is that a person?
god. Were you getting chased or no?
It was.
A prison can be heard nearby. Point it with your flashlight for a while to break it.
What the heck?
Oh. Dude, I legit screamed. Oh my god.
I wasn't ready. I almost got my butthole touched.
You almost what?
I almost got my butthole touched there.
What'd you do to get away from him?
Fuck no, baby! I ran. I don't like the sound of that.
Sound of what? I found a tape.
Demon.
One of the technicians had an electrical accident here. He lost his right hand.
Are you next to me? Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me.
Moving.
I don't like this game already. What the fuck?
What was that?
You're falling into the creature's charm. Try to get away from it. Oh my god, I'm falling into. Ah! I threw the glow light. I threw the glow light, Evan. Run! Over here.
Jump, bot.
Oh, you can run by holding right, like right click. Oh my god. Kanda left this session. There's someone else in here.
Oh, they're here!
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get away from me! Ah! It's chasing me, Evan. Evan, where'd you go?
I'm yelling for you.
You must be pretty far away from me because I did not hear you. The creature's now invulnerable. I cannot find you.
Hello?
Do you hear me?
Yeah, I do. Wait.
I can't shout again yet.
I found a tape.
They plan to use my report to buy the place, but there's nothing worth money here. It's old dust and bones.
What a creepy voice. Do you think that person left so we're no longer playing against the killer? Oh, I see you. Oh, I see you.
Where?
You're all the way on the other side.
Where is the other side?
I don't see you no more.
Over here!
Oh, I see you, I see you. Don't leave, just stay where you are. Oh my god, I throw a light stick.
I got my butthole touch.
You're dying! Can I help you?
I don't know.
I can help you.
Oh, come here, come here, come here. I don't know what this does.
What did we just do? Oh no, it's coming, it's coming! Ah! Oh my god, it's on me! Throw the glow stick! Throw the glow stick!
We need 2 more clues, Bre. This shit's spooky.
Use your compass. It's straight ahead.
Bre, light off, light off. It's around the corner.
How do you know? I
Oh!
really didn't want to throw that.
Oh!
Okay, where's my compass? Wow, why am I still all red and everything? It's still saying it's this way.
Where are you, Bre?
Right here.
That's an idol, I think. We don't want to fuck with that.
It's over here to the left. Oh, she's coming, she's coming! Oh, try to stay away from him. Oh my god! Get away! I was fucking myself up. Where'd you go?
Ugh! Ugh!
What? What?
Keeps flashing her on my screen.
Throw the glow stick! Ah! Throw the glow stick! The fucking glow stick! Are you okay?
I can feel a constant aura of uneasiness while walking through these tunnels.
Motherfucking glow stick. Oh no. Oh, I got you, I got you. Get off of my friend!
Next time I am caught, I will die.
Where'd you go? Evan, where'd you go? Oh no. Evan!
I don't know what the hell is happening.
Ah! I'm gonna die. I've got so much to live for. I see the last clue. No, I don't. I do. No!
I don't understand.
Look at how long we stayed over there, then it found you. It's interesting, it shows you the path. Oh shit. Is this an actual person?
I don't know.
This is when we couldn't like find each other. I got your back right there. How? How did she know we were over there? So that was White Noise 2. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please hit us up with a like if you enjoyed our gameplay. Otherwise, you can hit us up with a subscribe as well. That way you can get notifications for other content like our podcast, our review show, our Fright Night, etc. We definitely have some awesome members on this team, so please get involved. Also, you can hit us up in the comments below. We love to chat with you guys. Let us see your comments, what you think. If you think it's stupid, or you thought it was fun, or you think Evan sucks at the game, you know, all of the above. Also, our Twitch links will be in the description below if you want to see us stream other video games and not just White Noise 2. And
want to comment down below where he sucks at White Noise 2.
nix that. And yeah, so that was White Noise 2. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye, guys.